Appearance. The first thing that catches your eye when you get acquainted with this car is its shocking design. The car is very elegant and dynamic. The body lines of the new electric crossover successfully underline the status of the new generation car. You will notice that all doors are devoid of handles on the outside. Their absence does not in the least spoil the overall picture of the exterior of the concept car. In addition, the rear doors open in the opposite direction, which defies all established stereotypes. And the lower tabs made of polymer materials on the sides give it the sporty features of a modern car. Technical component. If we talk about the base of the car, then it remains the same. A 2019 Skoda Vision, like its predecessor, will be built on Volkswagen's MEB platform. The car also borrowed independent suspension for both front and rear wheels. The exclusive electric car is driven by two electric motors with 102 and 204 HP. The first, through the drive mechanism, pushes the front axle, and the second, more powerful one, acts on the rear. The total power value of both electrical installations is 306 HP. The motors are powered from a battery located in a recess under the floor. Its capacity is 83 kWh. The Electrosuver is capable of exchanging 105.9 seconds. Speed indicators are limited to 180 km/h, while the power reserve is about 500 km.